Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and the best way to celebrate with your girls is create a mocktail bar. Stay tuned. One thing I love about the mocktail bar are the different types of glassware, from coupes to champagne flutes and elongated stemware. Each glass displays the variety of drinks beautifully. One of my favorite display pieces happens to be this drink tower. I purchased it off of Amazon a few months ago, and it is just a beautiful way to display drinks. Now, when we're serving any type of beverage, garnishes are important. My favorite type of garnish besides flowers are fruit. So you want to make sure you have a great selection of colorful berries and fruits to add to your cocktail. This mocktail is called the Strawberry Fizz. Very simple, strawberry based with ice cream, your garnish, and one of my favorite decorative pieces, gold leaf. I feel like gold leaf just adds an extra pizzazz to any type of drink, and I'm probably going to add it to most, if not all, of my cocktails in the future. The pour over includes vanilla vodka, syrup, and a Prosecco. Or, for the mocktail version, you take out the vodka and you make sure you use the vanilla cream soda. I'll have the full recipe up on the website and link below in the description box. Next mocktail is the sparkling berry poptail. I love adding a popsicle to the drink. It adds a wonderful flavor as it starts to melt, keeps your drink cold because it is frozen. It's kind of like an ice piece. And then, of course, adding your favorite berries. I chose blackberries as a garnish, and super simple, very cute. Drinks always taste better when they look beautiful, so we add the flower garnish as well. And time to cheers. We all know edible glitter has been super popular these past few years, and adding it to your mocktail is a game changer. I love the way it makes the drink look sparkly, and you don't have to worry about having a weird taste. I added twirl cotton candy strawberry passion fruit flavor as a cotton candy topper for the drink. It is absolutely delicious. It is one of my favorite flavors. And of course, you have to add the floral garnish. Next, we're going to want to grab 2 plates so we can go ahead and garnish our citrus lavender lemonade. Again, very simple, but you want to make it look beautiful because beautiful drinks, they taste better. I'm using honey as a sticking agent with some fancy sprinkles. I got the pink and I believe it might be a little bit of green and gold in the sprinkles to go ahead and rim each of the champagne flutes. Next, you're going to want to add a few drops of butterfly pea flower tea extract to the bottom of your champagne flutes. I then top it with a little bit of lavender syrup, or you can go ahead and mix it all together in a shaker and then top it with some lemonade. And there you have it. Simple, easy ideas on creating a mocktail bar for Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day. You can always add your favorite liquor or bubbles to create cocktails with these drinks. And I really hope that you decide to create something for Galentine's Day or Valentine's Day for yourself. If you like this video, be sure to like it and comment down below what your favorite mocktail was from the video. And also subscribe to the channel. I hope y'all have a wonderful Valentine's Day, Galentine's Day, and cheers!